right, go right. Yeah, yes. Come on. Oh my God. What is up, YouTube? It is another day in New York, and if you saw the title of the video, it is my 21st birthday, and we're going to be celebrating today, so we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. I think it's time for a nice little transition. I'm going to be going to Cars and Coffee this morning, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Alright, 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we are ready for the day. So we are currently waiting for our buddy Seth to get over here. Once he's over here, we'll probably get a nice little cold start for you guys, and we'll probably head out and see what kind of cars we got going on. This thing's sick.
I wish I brought my.
I think I need to get one of these this year. Dude, it's got the front PPF on it too. This is clean. Dude, the Lambo doors on that, kind of funny. $392, baby. Scat back. It's pretty clean. Dude, this thing doesn't just have a crazy supercharger. It's got a panoramic sunroof. That's crazy.
Well, I'm good next weekend. I hope he floors it.
Dude, he's got to send it, right? There's no way he doesn't. Old Bel Air. Dude, that sounded crazy. Come on, turn right, turn right. No. This guy doesn't even have to rev it. It's just not. It's just all. Got the C8 coming in. Ooh. Yeah, rev that shit, buddy. Oh, we got the ZR1.
We actually got sound here.
Sage, the ZR1's out.
Fuck.
Come on, come. We need this guy to take off. Dude, that thing looks gnarly. The wide body. Oh. That sounds fucking insane, dude. Fox body getting down and fucking crazy, dude.
I wonder if we're getting one.
Go right, go right. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, dude, the demon's going through too. Woo!
I love it.
Woo! Got the demon. That's quiet. What the fuck?
He's not into it.
Could be a sleeper. That's so good.
I think
Oh. Dude. Oh, come on.
dude, imagine if I brought my camera. Like we all had cameras out. You know how many people would probably get on it because they see us with cameras? Sounds like he has the exhaust on. That's a Z06.
Dude.
We might not get into it though. That's supercar shit.
That thing sounds good. Oh, dude, look at that rat rod right there. He's going that way. And the bikes. Dude.
They got more agile. Well, they're going right, dude.
Oh, we got the. No, they're not.
Are they not?
No, they're going left. We got the Duster, or is that a Demon? One of the two. Sounds good.
We got some runners.
Dude, we got.
Dude, we're getting a lineup.
Oh, we need to get that. Yeah. Oh, we got the Fox body too. Miata.
This guy's going right, Mike. Or is it the left one?
Oh, we got. Oh, he's not in gear. He wasn't in gear.
You thought he was?
He thought he was in gear. That's pretty cool. Look at the fucking truck, dude. Crazy turnout, dude. Cars and coffee?
Thank you, man. It's super cool.
What's going on? Hellcat, come on, buddy, send it. Send it. Yeah. Hellcat.
I was wrong.
Nice try.
Whatever. It's okay, I was wrong.
Prime the system. You gotta prime it.